Welcome to the UltFone channel. Do you see free message? Unable to send message. Message blocking is active when trying to send a text. You'll usually see this error in the form of a separate text message in your inbox. Message blocking usually means SMS is disabled for your account or you've blocked the person you're trying to text. Other times, it may be related to network settings on your Android or iPhone. Whatever the cause, there's usually an easy fix. Here are some tips that you can have a look. Way 1. Unblock this caller. Sometimes you may inadvertently set up some obstacles. So you can troubleshoot this possibility. Click on your contact. Then tap Messages. It will display Unblock this caller at the bottom. Just turn it off. If the contact is not blocked, then you can try the next solution. Way 2. Restart your iPhone. Sometimes, rebooting your device can fix many problems. To fix it, simply restart your iPhone. For that, press the volume up and down respectively. Press and hold the power button until the Apple logo appears. The whole process is very simple, but very useful. Way 3. Repair your iPhone. Follow me to try it. Just connect your iPhone and open UltFone iOS System Repair on your computer. Now we click Start button. Then click Standard Repair to proceed. This option will save your data. Then hit Download to download iOS firmware. Now you can click the Start Standard Repair and wait for it to repair your iPhone. Well done. Let us have a look. We come to the normal screen. So guys, that's all for today's video. If you think this video is helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. See you.